Myself Ritu Sharma from TRM Public Schools. Today I would like to explain the first chapter of book Movements, subject English. The name of the chapter is The Lost Child and the writer of this chapter is Mulk Raj Anand. As I have mentioned on the board, the main points of the story. The first of all, I will tell you something about a short introduction of author. And the second point is the theme of the story. And the third point is short summary of the story. So the sub points of the summary are happiness of the fair. Second is walking with parents. And the next is missing of the child. And the next is a stranger tries to console him. So first of all, I would come to the introduction of the author. Mulk Raj Anand was an Indian writer in English, notable for his depiction of the lives of the poor in the traditional Indian society. जो poor, most of the stories of Mulk Raj Anand are related to the poor gentry of the society. One of the pioneers of Indo-African fiction, he was the first India-based writer in English to gain an international readership. Anand is admired for his novels and short stories which have acquired the status of being classical works of modern Indian English literature. They are noted for their perspective, insight into the lives of the oppressed and their analysis of impoverishment, exploitation and misfortune. He is also notable for being among the first writers to incorporate Punjabi and Hindustani idioms into English. My next point is the summary of the story. This story concentrates on the universality of a child's desire for everything. It is a short story about a child, his aspirations, demands and realization. एक बच्चे की महत्वाकांक्षाएं, उसकी ज़रूरतों और उसके realization से, उसे महसूस करने से related है ये कहानी. The story is mainly focused on the awareness of parents. We really don't understand the true value of our parents. We came to understand their value when they are out of our sight, they are away from our sight, then we realize their real value. And our world becomes upside down whenever we don't see our parents before us. That is what the little child realized once he lost in a fair. The ending is emotional as a reader keeps on guessing whether the lost child would have finally found his parents or not. It was not confirmed by the story that his parents were met to him, to the child or not. Now my next point is the short summary of the story. So the sub point of the short summary is happiness of the fair. The child was very much happy when he went to the fair with his parents. So his happiness is shown in this para. The little child was excited because he was visiting the fair. This journey to the fair was overwhelming, very much happy. On the way, he was often attracted by things which he witnessed in the fair. He was attracted by the toys displayed in the shops. He wanted to buy toys, but his parents refused to buy them. There were sweet shops in the fair and several types of sweets such as gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi were displayed in the plates. The child wanted to eat them. His favorite sweet was barfi. His mouth watered, but his parents paid no attention to his request. So many times the child requested to take several things as sweets, balloons, toys, but his parents did not pay attention over his desires, over his demands, and time to time he left behind from his parents because he was attracted towards those things. Next point is working with parents. What was the pattern of child's working with his parents? In this paragraph, I will tell you the same thing. He often walked behind his parents, and sometimes he was attracted by things in the fair. He left behind his parents. Left behind. In the meantime, his parents also gave him a cautionary call, "Come child, come." वो उसे बार बार बुलाते थे, and he left behind his parents because he was very much attracted. He was paying attention not over to his parents but to the shops of different things, and at the same time, in the murmuring sound, he tried to convey his desires to his parents, but they did not pay attention. They did not pay attention over his demands. Next point is missing of the child. When parents were calling again and again, but once they did not pay attention, the child has been left behind, and even the child did not pay attention that his parents had gone away. So the missing of the child says the same thing. Finally he came to the place where a roundabout was in full swing. Men, women and children carried away in a whirling motion. The child was very much attracted to see the roundabout because the people were moving there in the roundabout motion. So he was very much attracted, and he stopped there, and the parents did not pay attention at that time. They shocked and cried with dizzy laughter. The people who were swinging on that roundabout, they were shirking because they were feeling dizziness, and their laughter was dizzy. The child also wanted to go on the roundabout. He made a request to fulfill his desire, but there was no reply from his parents. So he moved behind and see where his parents were. Actually, he was attracted by the roundabout, and he stayed and watched the roundabout. To his surprise, when he turned to look for his parents, he did not find them. He was lost. Next point is a stranger tries to console him. A person who saw that child, he was crying and trying to find out his parents and was running here and there. Then he paid attention that a stranger paid attention that a lonely child was trying to do something. A stranger tries to console him. A kind man from the crowd came forward and picked him up in his arm. He was ready to buy all the things the child wanted earlier. He offered everything which the child wanted to buy earlier, but at this time he refused everything. He offered balloons, he offered toys, he offered sweets, but he was not ready to take. He said that I want my parents only. I want my mother, I want my father. He refused everything. Now I would like to tell you the main points of the summary in short. So the first point is, this story is about a small child. The child is being taken to the fair by the parents. There are many attractions in the fair for child, like balloons, merry-go-round, toys, etc. The child asks for these things from his parents. The parents are working in the fair, hence they have desire to buy things for the child. Okay.